Hello, sir. Thank you for calling BBLs by us. How may I help you?
Yes, I was calling to see about your special deals on your BBLs this weekend.
I'll be right with you.
Hello?
Okay.
Are you still there?
NANI?
I really need this
Sorry.
BBL,
Sorry
man.
about that.
Oh, no, not you, sir. Not you at all.
What is this? My throat's a little dry. I should take a sip of some water.
Well, look, sure, I assure you, we probably have the best services in the city. Give me a second. What are you doing? Up! No mask, no BBL.
Damn it. I really do need this BBL.
We have the best service in the city, I'm telling you.
Jeez, how much longer can I go? I haven't had water in 5 to 6 business days. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My throat is itchy. I have to cough. There's a water right here, but he won't let me drink it. How could he even talk about me having my mask down? Look at him. This doesn't make any sense. This is a setup. It has to be. Look at me.
Sir.
Dying because of someone else's ignorance.
Hello, sir.
I can't take this anymore. I can't take
Are
it!
you ready for your BBL? Oh, yes, sir. I'm ready. So I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Well, at least I ain't thirsty no more.